Good morning, everyone, and happy Wednesday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. I am here Monday through Friday with videos out before the opening bell, so if you aren't already, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and turn those notifications on so you can stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Also, just a reminder to make sure you check out the TipRanks mobile app on your Android or Apple device. This way, you can stay up to date with all of the latest analyst ratings and manage your smart portfolio on the go. This morning, we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, the biggest gainers and losers, plus notable earnings reports. So here we go, starting off with stock market news. U.S. stock futures are a bit mixed this morning, with Dow futures being down 0.06%, S&P 500 being up 0.08%, and NASDAQ futures being up 0.3% so far. In IPO news, we have Coinbase, who is set to go public today. They will be going public via a direct listing and are the largest cryptocurrency company to go public so far. Coinbase is the world's second largest digital asset exchange by trading volume and has been credited with bringing crypto into the mainstream with their easy-to-use app. Self-storage company Public Storage has acquired Easy Storage in the United States for $1.8 billion. The Easy Storage portfolio of storage properties consists of 48 properties with a total area of 4.2 million net rentable square feet, located in submarkets across Washington, D.C., Virginia, and Maryland. PSA's team will develop one under construction property and also expand 8 additional properties, with this resulting in a 10% increase in square footage through 2023. They expect the acquisition to close in May of this year. We saw several price targets reiterated yesterday on the news, but they do range from a negative 4% downside to a 4% upside, so analysts are a bit mixed. Blackberry has entered into a partnership with IBM to provide Blackberry's Spark platform to companies across Canada. As a part of this partnership, IBM will resell Blackberry's critical event management software, endpoint management, and security to organizations and governments. In the fiscal fourth quarter, Blackberry had strong quarter-on-quarter billings growth for its software and services business, including Spark and QNX. Spark is Blackberry's unified endpoint security and management platform, while QNX is a real-time operating system similar to Unix. Analysts are not in love with the Blackberry stock right now, though. It comes in as a moderate sell with a downside of nearly 5%. There is one hold rating that has a modest upside of about 4%. One company to receive FDA approval is Gilead Sciences, whose drug Trodelvy has been granted accelerated approval by the FDA for use in the treatment of adult patients who have metastatic or locally advanced urothelial cancer. Gilead Sciences' chief medical officer said that today's accelerated approval is thanks to the patients and healthcare professionals involved in the TROPHY study, and we appreciate their partnership. This achievement, coupled with last week's full FDA approval in unresectable, locally advanced, or metastatic triple-negative breast cancer, underscores our commitment toward rapidly developing Trodelvy to patients facing some of the most difficult-to-treat cancers. Gilead also said that the continued approval for Trodelvy depends on the clinical benefit of the drug in a confirmatory trial. The Gilead Sciences stock does come in as a moderate buy currently, with an average upside potential of about 21%. And Bally's corporation has reached an agreement to purchase Tropicana Las Vegas Casino from Gaming and Leisure Properties. Bally's shares fell over 10% following the announcement. They plan to lease the land underlying the casino for 50 years and pay $10.5 million as annual rent. After nearly doubling in value in 2020, Bally's shares are up 8% year to date. Now, in other news, Bally's is poised to combine with GameAssist after reaching definitive terms. GameAssist's gaming technology, combined with the U.S. market access that Bally's provides, should allow the combined company to pursue emerging opportunities in the U.S. sports betting and online markets. Bally's corporation stock does come in as a strong buy. The average price target of $77 would be a 42% upside from today's price. Now, they were actually close to that $77 price point back near the end of March. Now let's take a look at this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Starting out with our biggest gainer, which is Galactin Therapeutics. Under the ticker GALT, they're currently up 24% in the pre-market so far. We also have a Golden Bull under BTBT, who's up 17%, and Utstarcom under UTSI, currently up 16%. Some of our biggest losers this morning include Dragon Victory International. Under the ticker LYL, they're currently down 7.5%, followed by Sea Change International under CEAC, who's down 7.3%, and Bed Bath & Beyond under BBBY, who's currently down 9.6%. Now moving on to notable earnings reports. Now, as I've been mentioning earlier this week, we are hearing from a lot of the large financial institutions this week. This morning, we're hearing from JP Morgan Chase, Wells Fargo, and Goldman Sachs. Now, all of those reports are just starting to roll out while I'm filming this, so I'm going to do things a little different this morning in the spirit of actually having this video out before the market opens and not creating a 15 to 20 minute video for you guys. So later this morning, I'm going to do a separate video focusing on these financial institutions' earnings reports. So please stay tuned for that in the next couple of hours as we just wait for all of those reports to fully roll in. Now, in other earnings report news today, we did hear from Score Media and Gaming, commonly known as the Score, who did post lower second quarter revenue than expected by analysts. Their revenues in their second quarter fell almost 16% year over year to 5.59 million Canadian dollars and missed the consensus estimate of 6.65 Canadian. Media revenue increased 17% year over year to 8 million, which was their second quarter record. Additionally, record media revenue was partially offset by negative net gaming revenue of 2.4 million. They did report a loss of 45 cents per share compared to a loss of 29 cents in the same quarter last year. Now, there is just one analyst that has a rating on the Score Media and Gaming stock that he just reiterated today with an upside potential of 112%. So that is it for this video's earnings reports. Like I said, I will be back in the next couple of hours with a whole other video on those big banks' earnings reports, covering all of the recent news there and hopefully some updated analyst ratings as well. So make sure you stop back for that. That'll be all for Wednesday's pre-market morning update, bringing you up to speed before the market opens. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. Let me know where you're watching from. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you back here next time.